Well, we can rest easy knowing that we are all clear of any severe weather with a cooler breeze getting ready to take over, and showers will come to an end tonight. But it was a very busy day across the area, including widespread severe weather that we will recap in just a few moments. Some thicker clouds over the Toledo metro. That breeze is just beginning to turn cooler. West-northwest winds 15 miles per hour. We're still at 54 degrees, but starting to fall fairly quickly as colder air rushes in. Now, the active severe weather threat is well south of us. Southern Ohio back towards Cincinnati, southern Indiana and northern Kentucky, where storms are still firing tonight. Now, numerous reports not only of wind damage, of likely tornadoes, and unfortunately some tornadoes that have done some significant damage down toward Indian Lake, that just outside of Wapakoneta. Numerous reports of wind damage and tornado damage here across northwest Ohio, and much of this was confined south of the Toledo metro. Hancock County under multiple tornado warnings through the evening and into the early part of the overnight hours. I've had reports that look to be confirmed or will be outside of Bluffton toward Genera, where we have witnessed some of the video and damage. And this was what was sent in to us just east of Bluffton. Fairly clearly a large tornado that was on the ground at one point. We had additional damage that went across Seneca County, including some large hail up to about 1.5 inches or larger in diameter. Likely we may get a confirmation as well of some tornadic activity based on what we've seen out of Seneca County, and likely just west of Plymouth, south of the southern edge of Huron County, outside of Willard, likely to confirm a tornado as well. This is some of the images that were captured outside of Elveda in Seneca County, and Barry Hammer setting this picture in a very well-defined funnel cloud, perhaps in contact with the ground, which would make it, in fact, if it was a tornado. Low 40s across southern Michigan. There's the cooler air, still 60 or warmer to the south, but the cooler air does win out as a cold front pushes through the area in the next couple of hours. All storms are done with tonight. Mostly cloudy skies tomorrow morning. Now, look forward to this. We'll battle the clouds the first half of the day, but I do expect it will turn brighter through the afternoon. Skies may begin to brighten up through your Friday afternoon, but a cooler feel with highs in the low and mid 50s through your Friday afternoon. How warm will it be? It'll still feel more like March as we get into Friday. It'll start the day in the 40s, highs low to mid 50s as we go through the afternoon, and we'll still stay cool into Saturday. The mid to upper 50s is going to be above average for March, but the breeze will be fairly brisk into the end of the weekend. What to expect tonight? Showers going to be coming to an end, down to 43 for the overnight low. Your Friday, 52 degrees, brisk breeze, mostly cloudy skies with more afternoon sun. Upper 50s will be expected on Saturday. Chance of a shower very late Saturday as a cold front arrives, and that will turn us cooler into your Sunday for St. Patrick's Day. Mid to upper 40s and quite chilly into Monday, upper 30s, and it may be cold enough we may see a few wet snowflakes early next week into Monday. Tuesday, lower 40s, dry conditions into Wednesday, and low 50s may return back into the forecast toward Thursday of next week.